We have mastered the patterns. We know how BRC thinks, but knowledge is the only half the battle. Today I'm going to show you why even the best students, people who know everything, still walk out of the room with a ejection letter. You understood the patterns. You understood the patterns and you know what BRC is testing. Still many students will fail. The reason, what is the why? Because knowing is not a problem, execution is. Understand this carefully. Knowing the concept is not equal to doing it. You understand everything, but in the interview, you can't apply it. So, what we are discussing about in this video, we are discussing about the main problems. So, let me list one by one problems you will face. First problem: you study subjects, you solve questions, but you never practice speaking. You never practice thinking out loud. So, first thing is no real practicing of the concept. Second problem is in the preparation, you are comfortable. No one is watching, no one is judging, but the interview is different. It's a pressure. So, in the normal days, you don't have the pressure. No pressure on you. The third problem is you know the concept, but suddenly your mind goes blank. You can't structure your thoughts, you lose clarity. What I mean, blank mind. This is the biggest problem hit by any topper. So you know the concept, you know what is the OS, what is the you know the process and what is the difference between the threads, but you can't explain at that time. This is the biggest problem. Blank mind. Biggest problem from this, no feedback at all. So you keep repeating the same mistakes or and you don't even know what you are doing wrong. And that's why even good students fail, not because they are weak, not because they are weak in the some concepts, because they never trained for this situation. So the result of this thing is silent failure. Silent failure. You never know about it, why you fail. So there is a skill, not just a knowledge. And like any skill, it needs practice under real condition. Interview is a interview is a skill, not a normal ordinary thing. So interview is a skill, not just knowledge. And like any skill, it needs practice under real conditions. And you need two things mainly. First is simulation and the mock and the feedback. This is the most important part. You need it. Without this, the improvement doesn't happen. So that's why before the actual interview, you need to experience it once in a controlled way. I am currently building this structure and an cohort system for this train before real interview. Real interview. So for this is only for only serious students. So don't just prepare, train. That is the difference. Train, it's the most important step here. Preparation is a reading, training is a doing. In the next video, I'm going to reveal the exact system we use to turn knowledge into selection. Watch the exact system next. That's it.